How to verify Payeer account. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply log into your account. After creating your account successfully, the next important thing is to verify it. So all that you have to do is just locate the profile where we have it, just locate it and then click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you to the profile and then the verification. Okay, so what you have to know is that if you haven't verified your account, it is limited, and then this is the amount of money you can send per day. Okay, so let's go through the verification process. All that you have to do is to just come to the verification, and where we have the type of account, just put the mouse on it, and then you see that for personal it is for individuals, and then for business it is for companies, but there is no difference between the functionality. They are the same. Okay, so if you are creating it for only you, just select personal, but if you are creating it for a business and then you have a document, just select business. Okay, so just come here and then the type, just choose the one that you prefer. Okay, so let's say that you first prefer the business and then you selected the business. So let's first select the business. All that you have to do is just come here and then put in the name of the business. Okay, after putting in the name of the business, then you put in the name of the person in charge of the business. Okay, that is the director. After that, just come here, select the country where the business is, and then you click on the next. Okay, but since I am creating it for me personally, I'm then going to select personal. Okay, because they all have the same functionality. Then just come down here where you have the name, just put in your first name, then you put in your last name. After that, then come here and then put in your date of birth. Okay, it should be the one on your ID card. Then come and select the country, then just come here and then click on the next. So let's click on the next. The next thing I have to do is that you have to put in your telephone number. Okay, they are going to ask you of your personal phone number. Just put it right there. After that, just come down here where you have the Telegram. If you have any Telegram account, you can put the name there, and then come here and then click on the go next. Okay, so let's click on the go next, and over here they are going to ask you to receive an incoming call, or if you don't want to receive the call, you can simply choose text message. Okay, so let's say I want to receive text message instead. I'll come here and then click on send an SMS. Okay, so just click on send an SMS, and they will send you an SMS to the number that you used. Okay, just put it right here. I've received mine. Let me put it right here. Then click on the confirm. Okay, so let's click on confirm and continue. So over here, all that you have to do is to put in your master key. Okay, so if you don't know what the master key is about or how to find it, I'm having a link of a video in the video description. Just click it, watch it, understand it, and then put it right here. Then come down here and then click on the unlock. Okay, so that you can continue the verification process. So after putting it in, let's come here and then click on the unlock and then continue the verification process. So when you come here, as you can see, we have successfully linked the number. Okay, so let's continue the verification process. So just come down here and then click on go next. Okay, just click on go next. So after clicking on the go next, the next thing that you have to do is to upload your documents. Okay, so if you are doing the verification on a laptop or on your desktop, you can scan this barcode and then continue it on your phone. Okay, but if you are using the phone already, simply just continue by uploading any of these documents. The first thing is the passport, the ID card, or the driver's license. Just upload it, and then after that you can also go ahead and then upload your proof of address. Okay, so for the proof of address, I'm going to talk more about it. And then you also have to upload a selfie. Just take a picture of yourself and then upload it. Okay, so now let's look at the proof of address. So for the proof of address, you have to upload a document which is within 90 days. It shouldn't be more than 90 days. And then the document that they accept is the bank account statement or the utility bill. Okay, these are what they accept. You don't have to edit it, it has to be original. Okay, if you don't go by this and then you submit anything, your verification is going to be denied. Okay, so that is what you have to provide for them, else your verification will be denied. Okay, beside that one, you have to also take a selfie and then upload it. Okay, so you have to take a selfie and then upload it, and make sure that you do not crop the image. And then the file type that they accept, you have the JPEG, the PDF, and all that. Okay, so when you are done, just come down here and then click on the submit, and then your verification will be submitted, and then they will get back to you in no time. So just like the video, and then see you in my next video.